And welcome to Krishna's collection. I'll quickly show you one beautiful kalamkari cotton piece. This is a pure handloom sari, pure kalamkari and pure handloom sari. This in market there are saris which are digital printed, foil printed, or kind of screen printing as well. But this is a pure handloom sari made by craftsmen and artisans. So this sari in this video I'm just showing this one sari and would just give a small information about this sari. See, we have to value our artisans and craftsmen, the skilled weavers, and the labor work what they do. These saris are very reasonable and reasonably priced, being this pure cotton handloom saris originally dyed with vegetable dyes, and everything, the process is handmade. So the saris are rated or priced in such way. uh, many people ask me, cotton तो है, बेडशीट के जैसे दिखता है, looks very casual, looks very very जनरल साड़ी है, ओके है, तो क्यों इतना महंगा है? बल्कि प्राइस ऑफ द साड़ी इज ओनली 1400. We get pure pen kalamkaris also, which are on silks and on other fabrics, but on pure cotton this is priced at 1400. The price of this kalamkari is be expensive because this has been made by our artisans, our craftsmen, with very love, and they put too much of hard work and efforts for this beautiful pieces. So we should value them. We should not थोड़ा उसको कम नहीं हमने सोचना चाहिए इस साड़ियों के बारे में. एंड बिलीव मी, दिखने में अगर हाथ में कुछ अलग लग रही होगी ये साड़ी, बट आफ्टर वेयरिंग सच sarees, this beautiful sarees, I would try to plan and wear such sarees in my future videos. But after wearing these sarees, it gives a very royal and elegant look. Many people who are office going ladies, mass media people, prefer wearing these sarees, and they look really stunning and beautiful. This particular piece which I'm having is nice yellow color, beautiful yellow with nice multicolored red, blue, uh, type of kalabkari prints all over the sari has it, and nice border of elephant. These are very traditional type of prints and traditional evergreen prints which are from so many years going on. Okay, and the sari has, and these saris are having small kind of, here and there, the effect, the prints are not even, the threads can be seen here and there. This is a आप कह सकते हैं ये पहचान है इन साड़ियों की. These are the original handloom sarees. Okay, the pallu of the saree, see, such a beautiful and graceful dancing lady figure on the pallu, a very beautiful saree, and nice handloom. See, you can see this, these are hand blocks. तो blocks कहीं पे ज़्यादा शाही लगने के कारण ज़्यादा dark दिखेंगे आपको. So this unevenness is uh, the एक पहचान बोल सकते हैं. मराठी में ते ओळख म्हणतात. It is a, English में मुझे, I'm not getting the word what to say, but that is actually the pehchan of the sari, that it is a pure handloom sari, a very beautiful piece. Can go for this. I can get colors and beautiful prints in this very very nice sari, pure kalamkari handloom sari. Price of the sari is 1400, free shipping throughout India. If you like this sari, you can quickly take the screenshot, support our viewers, support our small artisans, and send it on our given WhatsApp number, that is 932 111 8387. Till then, stay tuned with Krishna's collection. Namaskar.